I just restocked my lint-free wipes right here and wanted to show you how they come. They're obviously vacuum sealed. I mean, that is tiny. Now there are 1,200 in here. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys. This is such a good deal. I mean, you are getting 1,200 wipes for the price. That's unheard of. I used to be a nail tech, and so I buy these at my suppliers, and trust me when I say they were super expensive. I wish they would have carried huge bags like this to save. So see, it does come in a Ziploc bag here, so you can keep them all in here as you're using them. If you have ever done your nails before, you know how important it is to have a very clean nail bed. I mean, that's a lot of times what happens to enhancements is that the nail bed is not prepared and cleaned properly. So these are perfect if you do your nails a lot, even if you're just polishing them, are perfect. They are nice and thin, and again, completely lint-free. They do come in white or pink. There is no smell to them at all, and they can be used for so many other things too. Take my makeup brushes and wipe them on these because again, there's no lint that's gonna get trapped in my brush. My mascara wand, so if you are in need of these, definitely grab these. You are getting a huge bag for the price. I definitely recommend them. So I hope this video has helped.